The key features of services based on product. In this video, we will look at the key features of product-based GT education. Product-based gifted and talented GT education focuses on the creation of tangible products or projects that demonstrate students' advanced abilities, knowledge, and skills. This approach emphasizes the production of original work, innovative solutions, or creative outputs. These projects empower students to produce tangible outcomes while developing essential skills for real-world problem-solving and innovation. The key features of product-based GT education include engaging students in creating tangible or digital products, showcasing their innovative thinking and creativity, and encouraging them to develop novel solutions to real-world problems or challenges. A project-based approach where students work on comprehensive projects that require planning, execution, and presentation of a final product. Projects may extend over a period, allowing for in-depth exploration and refinement. Creation of videos, multimedia presentations, or digital artworks showcasing skills in various mediums. Designing and constructing physical or conceptual prototypes demonstrates creativity and problem-solving. Projects that have real-world relevance, encouraging students to develop solutions applicable in practical settings. Some projects might explore entrepreneurial ideas, requiring students to develop business plans or marketing strategies. Projects that involve the integration of skills and knowledge from different subject areas, promoting interdisciplinary learning, which encourages students to apply learning from various fields to produce comprehensive products. Authentic assessment focuses on the quality, innovation, and effectiveness of the final product or output. The evaluation criteria often involve rubrics emphasizing creativity, originality, and the application of advanced skills. Encourages teamwork and collaboration, allowing students to combine strengths and expertise in producing high-quality outputs. Projects often culminate in presentations or exhibitions, allowing students to showcase their work to peers, teachers, or the community. Teachers serve as mentors, providing guidance and support throughout the product development process. In some cases, experts or professionals in relevant fields may mentor students, providing insights and expertise. Student autonomy, which allows students to choose project topics aligned with their interests, fostering ownership and personal investment in the work. Differentiated pathways that tailors projects to students' abilities and interests, accommodating diverse talents and passions. Encourages students to reflect on their creative processes, learn from failures, and iterate on their designs or concepts. Continuous improvement by emphasizing the value of feedback and continual refinement in product development. Product-based GT education aims to foster creativity, innovation, and the application of advanced skills by allowing students to engage in meaningful, self-directed projects that demonstrate their expertise and originality. These projects empower students to produce tangible outcomes while developing essential skills for real-world problem-solving and innovation.